Hello, 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 coaches. Welcome to this month's Done For You bundle. I absolutely love this, love the title and everything about it. So, this month's Done For You content is called Loving Me 20 Life Changing Tips to Help You Recognize Your Worth and Find Genuine Happiness. Y'all know I am so excited about this one. This is definitely going to be for my life coaches, my relationship coaches. You guys can use this content as a training inside of your membership. It can be a training that you can include into maybe your group coaching. This can also be a training that you can pre-record, put the worksheets together, and sell this right on time. And then for my business coaches, this is a great additional personal development training that you can offer your business people to help them love themselves more so that they can build a massive business in a happy way. All right, so let's take a deep dive into it so that I can show you exactly what's included in this month's packet. You ready? You ready? All right, so let's get started. All right, so as you know, I love to do my topic research. And when I did my Google research, you can see that there are massive views for this topic of loving yourself. You've got self-love quotes. You've got quotes about self-love. You got questions about self-love. You got loving yourself. 45% of people are searching for this. You've got 49,000 views or people who are actually searching for the term loving yourself. You also know that I love to go inside of Amazon and find books as well as YouTube to find videos. So these are the books that I found inside of Amazon around loving yourself and self-love. You got a workbook, you got a physical book on missing commandment, loving yourself. You've got loving yourself like your life depends on it. You also got a video training inside of YouTube called Loving Yourself by I think Lisa does this, and as you guys can see, it has over 10,000 views, as well as only one view in Facebook. It's because it's only been shared in Facebook once, but 10,000 plus views on this particular topic inside of YouTube. So this is very much a topic that people are searching for. All right, so here are the, this is supposed to say November, not October, but these are November dates and post ideas. You've got Common Sense Day, you've got Forget Me Not Day, which ties into loving yourself very much. You've got Kindness Day, which is November the 13th, falls into the loving yourself theme as well. You got International Men's Day. Again, this falls into loving yourself and loving your man and the men in your life. You got World Hello Day. You got Celebrate Your Unique Talent Day. You got Black Friday Day, and this is Cyber Monday, as well as on November the 30th. So we talked about holiday sales, how to slay your holiday sales in October. So if you missed that marketing meeting class, then go back and watch that. That is inside of the group. So if you guys miss the Slay Your Holiday Sales training that I did in October, so go back and watch that. That is going to be inside of the Facebook group under units. Okay, so look for Slay Your Holiday Sales so that you can take advantage of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Yes. Okay, so let's get back into it. All right. Okay, so this is your Done For You Masterclass training. As usual, you're going to get slides along with the notes. So this particular training has 35 slides, and it comes with a 12-page workbook. 12-page workbook, because I'm serious about people loving themselves and living a full happiness life, right? And it also comes with a sales copy, which is 226 words. This is sales copy that will help you sell this masterclass if you plan to sell it. It will also help you actually the words to know exactly what to say to help you get people enrolled in it, even if it's a free training. So you got the sales copy, you got the slides, you got the workbook. You're also going to get this beautiful designed lead magnet or ebook, whatever one you want to call it. It can be a lead magnet if you're interested in building your list, which you should always be doing is building your list. You can also use it as an ebook if you're selling ebooks, digital ebooks on your site. So this is a great way to build up your digital assets or your digital library. You know, I'm all about making passive income. So this beautiful designed ebook is a 22-page professionally designed in Canva. I love that we do these inside of Canva because you're able to change, swipe out the pictures that if you need to, add your own quotes if you want to, add more things to it if you like. But this is very much something that you can edit and change and adapt it to your own. Okay. And next, you got your Done For You marketing content, which comes with 4 content articles and these beautiful design for mini infographics. Okay, these are graphics that you can use to just support the loving myself, loving yourself, loving me. I'm sorry, it's not even called loving yourself. Loving me theme packet, Done For You packet. But you can use these quotes to support what you're doing. You can use the articles as blog content. You can use the articles as a outline for your Facebook Lives, for your if you're podcasting, all of those things. You can use the articles for that as well. So, guys, that is the Loving Me Done For You bundle that has 20 life-changing tips to help you recognize your worth and feel gratitude or genuine happiness in your life. This is going to be a game changer for you and your clients, right? To share with them how important it is to love themselves, right? You have all the content that you need to build this as a course. You also got the Done For You marketing content planner. I totally forgot to share that. So let's take a look at that. I must have just skipped past that really fast. So you've got the Done For You content marketing, which includes the title of the article or blog post that you might want to share. You've got the captions as well. So, you know, sometimes I know you guys struggle with what do I say in my social media posts, where here's the caption that you can use. You also have the social media graphic that you can use. So you can share the graphic on Monday, you can share the article on Tuesday, and you can share the social media conversational caption on Wednesday with some type of other type of picture of yourself or a picture of you or someone in a relationship or an example of loving yourself. But this Done For You marketing content planner, right, has everything that you need to be fresh and to actually position yourself around this topic every single week. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So I'm basically showing you in this content planner how to use the content inside of the Done For You bundle and use it on your platform. Everything is there for you to be very successful and able to get your coaching business out there in the right way. Right? We like that. We like that we can actually connect with our clients, that we like that we can start making money, selling these digital products as well, building up our digital assets, our library, and so we can start bringing in passive income and actually making, helping our clients, creating a transformation that we know that our clients and our customers need so that they can be successful. So I hope you guys are going to love this Love It Me Done For You packet just as much as I do. The content in it is absolutely awesome, and that is actually going to help you do the things that you do best, which is to teach your customers and clients how to be their best selves. All right, so that's November's Done For You content bundle. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions like normal, just reach out to me inside of the group. All right, you guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.